Hi, so in today's episode I'm gonna show you how to make power bank for your mobile phone, so you can take it anywhere, you can charge it anywhere you are, in the park, in the street, anywhere, on your bike, in your car, anywhere. So the components that you need, first thing, and obviously the main thing we need, is this l7805 transistor with a heatsink, and we need this 470 microfarad capacitor. We need a 5mm LED, any color that you desire. We need 10 kilo resistor. We need a 1N 4007 diode. Obviously we need some connectors for the power supply and a 9-volt power supply. First I'm gonna go with you through this diagram. So here, as you can see, we've got our transistor. So from the transistor, from the output, because this is the input, the positive, and this is the ground, and this is the positive output, positive. So from the output positive we get I need to connect the capacitor. So here's the minus, negative, and the positive, and from the positive it goes straight to the ground on the transistor. So also we get this diode. The diode will be plugged to the input positive, so it go like this, the cathode this way, and the anode is going to the positive of power supply 9-volt. So, and we'll get the LED. The LED, it comes from the ground, which is the cathode, like this, straight to the output, positive output, but connected to the resistor, 10 kilo resistor, like this. And here we've got the negative of the power supply. Here is the battery, for the battery. So what left is this now, this adapter. So for this adapter will be put it like this. So with this adapter we've got negative and positive. So the negative of this adapter will go to the ground on our L7805, and the positive will go to the positive output of the transistor. So our circuit diagram, is going to be like this. So let's go and show you the practice now. First thing, I need to connect the L7805 like this. So after that I need to connect the capacitor. So as we said, the negative this in the output like this. Like there. So now the diode will be plugged like this. Will be connected like this. So now the resistor, the 10 kilo, one terminal on the output positive, the output of the transistor, and the other terminal on the anode of this LED, like that. Sorry. As you can see here, our LED, so the anode will be connected to this resistor, the 10 kilo resistor, like this. And the cathode will be plugged to the ground. The ground of the transistor. Our adapter, so the positive will go to the output positive. And the negative will go to the ground on the transistor, the middle one. Now the input power supply. So the positive will be connected to the anode of the diode, like this. And the negative of the power supply will be connected to the middle pin of the transistor, which is the ground. And that's it. Our circuit now is totally completed. So all I need to do now is plug the battery and try it. So as you can see, our circuit is working now. So let's try it. I'm gonna put in a nice box, and you can see the final result after. You can see here, I'm going to use this empty box, an empty tube like this, and use it to make a nice home for this circuit. So first thing I need to do is put this adapter. So after installing the system in this box, I need to know to do is plug in the battery, connecting the battery like this, and we've got a ready power bank. After that I think I need to put like a switcher so I can switch it off and on whenever I want. So let's try our mobile phone now. So now let's test it. So as you can see, it's working. It's working. And I've got 93%. Plug it back. So our gadget is working, so I'm happy with it. So it's an easy circuit. You can try it. It's not that hard. It's not that hard, so you can try it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. Till the next video, I say thank you very much and see you soon.